Hi guys, I'm back again with another recipe. Today I'll be showing you how I make my chicken curry. This food is very easy to make and it tastes nice. You can have it with rice. I'll show you how I make mine and you can leave me a comment and tell me how you make yours. If there's any food you want me to make, you can ask me and I'll make it if I can. Yeah, this is very simple and you know I'm all about the simple stuff, so I'll show you how I make my chicken curry. Thank you guys for watching my previous videos. Thank you for all the love since I started my channel. If you haven't seen my previous videos, I will link them here. I'll put a link here for you to watch them. Okay, time to cook now.
First, I'll be chopping some garlic, ginger, onion, and a very small piece of Scotch bonnet pepper in my food processor. So I'm adding a spoon of cooking oil to a heated pan, and then I'm going to add a mixture of chopped ginger, garlic, onion and pepper, and I'll just fry that till it browns. So this is the curry powder I'm using. I got this from a halal shop and I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon of curry powder. So I'm putting the carrots first just so it gets more time to cook since it's a bit firmer than other vegetables I'll be using today. Remember to taste for salt and add more if required. Right, so you can agree with me that this is a very simple recipe. This is all you need to make a very tasty curry. You don't need to have any special skills or anything. I'm going to have mine with rice and it tastes very nice. Thank you guys for watching this video and I will see you at my next video. Bye.